Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily. I share tons of luxury unboxing and review videos, as well as haul videos. Mostly everything I get is on sale or at a really great discount. So if you enjoy that stuff, please consider subscribing. And as always, if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Today I'm sharing with you all a Gucci Ophidia pouch unboxing, as well as how I converted that pouch into a crossbody. This pouch is literally Gucci's best hidden secret. It is basically the same as their smaller bag, which runs over double the price of the pouch. The size and the shape and the look is basically exactly the same as the pouch, so definitely want to share with you all how I was able to convert that in a crossbody. It looks exactly the same as the bag they're selling for over double the price, so stick towards the end of the video for that, and let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so here she is. Beautiful green Gucci packaging. I love their limited edition packaging right now. It's so adorable. And this is the dust bag comes in. This is the burlap one. So I don't know whether they're transitioning completely to this. I don't think so. It's usually between this and then the plain white silk one. I think this is so cute. So we'll see where they go with their packaging. I love luxury packaging. Okay, so here she is. So beautiful. Look at this beautiful canvas. So much Gucci going on over here. Literally all the signature things about Gucci in one bag or pouch. We've got the double GG logo here up front in gold. Love that. I love the gold pop of color. And the signature Gucci green and red webbing. I love that. So cute. And this body part is the coated canvas. So not genuine leather, but it is coated, so it's not the cloth at least, which will keep it protected over time. And then this exterior lining is full genuine leather lining. I love this, it's pretty neutral, and then there's a little bit of a pop of color, but then the color is still kind of subtle, so it's not too crazy. But yeah, I love this. And then the interior, just so nice. This is either microfiber or genuine suede, but it's so luxurious. It feels so good. Most of their bags comes with this beige lining interior. Love that. And then back here there's the little label, and so this just has one pocket. So, but as you can see, it's very spacious, and honestly I prefer when these smaller bags don't have any dividers because you get more room in here to play around with. Very nice and spacious, so love that. And this is very, very similar to the LV toiletry bag that's just gone up and up in price, and they don't even make it anymore. And I think it is because you can convert it into the crossbody, but I've seen less people talking about this one, which is super similar with this open feature on both sides of the pouch that lets you turn this into a crossbody. So definitely think that more people should be talking about this. I feel like once it comes out, I think Gucci will probably end up doing the same thing and discontinue this, unfortunately, but I'm just glad I got my hands on that before that happened. So, and then here you can see on this side also leather and leather, so love that. And then this is totally unisex too, so for men or women, it's totally fine either way. Pretty simple, and as you can see, against my body, this is a pretty sizable bag. I believe it's about 10.5, a little over 10.5 inches wide, and then the depth is 3.5 inches possibly on the largest depth here, and then height is about 9 inches or so. So very, very nice size. Their Ophidia small bag is the same size as this. I actually need to do another Ophidia unboxing with you all, so I'll kind of do the comparison against that later as well. And right before I uploaded this video, I actually just checked online, and the price of this just went up again. This is now $810. Still a great price, but honestly, if you scroll on Gucci and go the lowest priced items on the site, this is probably one of the lowest priced items you'll find in terms of a bag. So definitely $810 is not a bad deal, and if you're able to turn it into the bag I'll show you now, you're getting so much bang for your buck with that. It's just crazy how the price increases just come basically unannounced and unexpectedly. They are smaller and not as bad of a hit as when you see the Chanel or Louis Vuitton price increases, which is just 20 to 30% every time that they increase the price. So at least Gucci is a little bit better with their price increases, but when I got it, it was $775, so you're paying about $35 more. So yeah, not a bad deal. And then I still find that this bag is is also pretty neutral and you can wear it with lots of outfits, so you can really get your money's worth with that. So first off, if you see this just as it is as a clutch, still so cute if you just walk around with this at night. Love that. You could just keep it like that if that's all you want to use it as a clutch. You don't even need to buy the like little items to convert it into a bag. It's still a beautiful clutch, or just a pouch if you want to travel with that. Let me show you how I convert it into a crossbody and use it like that. I just think it gives it so much more life. Okay, so here is this insert that I got off of eBay. This was just some individual seller selling on eBay. So there are other places that you can get this if this was to run out. I will try to link it below, but you know, it possibly could be sold out just because it is an individual seller. But Samorga sells these and they're very affordable. It's, I think, about 50 bucks for this plus the chain. So the one I got didn't include the chain. I think this was about like 18 or 19 bucks when I got it. So 20 bucks to convert it into a bag, not a bad deal. But I did get my chain separately. So if you do go on Samorga, you'll get the Ophidia pouch insert plus a chain. And Samorga's chains I heard are very, very nice quality, especially the gold. So here's the insert. This one fits very, very well. Yeah, if you're not able to find an insert exactly for this bag, you can try to just go off the dimensions, but it's really much easier if you pick the insert that was made specifically for this pouch. So I got this one that has a zipper right here and then the few pockets here, just because, again, I said, like how I said before, if you have dividers in the middle, it just limits more space in the bag. So I try to keep it to like have this, and I do still want to use the zipper. So tons of space. And then you can see this insert comes with the D-rings. You just need to put those underneath the little gap that you have right here and here. No damage to the bag whatsoever. Nothing being installed. I think this is the best way. I don't think altering the bag is a good idea, just because the value of it could decrease. You could also do that wrong. A professional could even do that wrong and there would be no recourse. So I prefer not to install anything into the bags if possible. Okay, here I clipped on to this loop, and then let me clip on to the other one. Again, this is just a chain I had. There are plenty of chains to get on Amazon or other affordable online stores. So here she is. This one matches pretty well with this gold, so I'm pretty happy about that. The one thing here to note is, not sure how much you all will care about this. If that will bother you, then I guess this wouldn't be for you, but there's that little tab of the pouch coming out. So just one thing to note, but look at how pretty this is as a crossbody. This is literally so gorgeous as a crossbody. I love it. It goes well with this outfit I have on. Definitely best with like a neutral outfit, and then it gives you a little extra pattern and dresses up the outfit a little. But I love this crossbody. It's so cute. This is such a nice length. My recommendation for strap length, I'm 5'7". I recommend about a 46-inch total strap length, so the drop would be about half of that, like 23 inches. If you prefer it to just be a shoulder bag, you can always get a shorter one if you want it to look like that, or I'm sure there's another way you can get a strap and double it up. So this is what it looks like as a shoulder bag on me. Love this look, so cute. Literally just looks so identical to the bag that's selling for $1,500. I think that's about the price. Don't quote me exactly on that. I will put a little picture clip insert of the exact bag I'm talking about that looks very, very similar to this pouch on Gucci's website. As you can see, that bag looks almost identical to this one, and the dimensions are about the same as well. So if you don't mind doing the little insert and the organizer yourself, it's really, really great deal. The other thing I wanted to mention is there is another toiletry pouch that's this exact Ophidia pattern online. I personally chose this one instead of that one. The price, I believe, was exactly the same because this has the kind of more sleek, like structured shape. So that other one was a little more puffy and like a little more oval and round shape, kind of like a cylinder. I think that this one will definitely hold up a lot better over time. This one also doesn't look as much as like a pouch that you converted into a bag. Like I said, this shape is the exact same one as the other bag that they have online. So if you're looking between the two, I would definitely recommend this one. Again, that's obviously your personal preference. If you like that puffy look, that might be, you know, best for you, but I think I recommend this pouch specifically. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that this was helpful for you all. If you do end up getting this bag and converting it into the actual crossbody and shoulder bag, please comment below and let me know. I'd love to see your bag and how you style it as well. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please again press the subscribe button if you have not already done so, and hit the bell button so you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys!